The horses are quite tired.
Oh no. I can see them. You might get good crazy and I get. So where's the drone now?
Yeah, that's the thing. It's a right
Oh, there. Oh, I see it.
There's enough space.
Is this okay, sir?
That's all right.
Where are the mangoes? Oh, yeah.
Angus, just stay well clear of his bag. He's got two jobs to do. So he's got driver's drone and he's got two.
Let me see if I spot it. There! There!
Can you hear the hooves now or the flicker?
Yeah. Mum, can I go one up close?
You can run. Angus, if you stay between the path and the trees, you can run. Don't shout or jump or scare the horses though.
It's what? I know.
I don't think they'll go very far. There seems to be a lot of horses without riders. Well, maybe they're being ridden by army dogs. Oh, that's it. So you can see the front and the back.
What is it going? But coming back. Is it coming back? Is it
You
coming
can
back?
see the front and the back.
No.
That's all the horses.
This?
Hector, I just would like you to stay away from the photographer's bag. Your feet were very close to his camera. Okay, you can't watch all of his equipment. Can you see the front horses and the back horses? And then there's all the Hulker vehicles at the back.
A bin man there.
Is there a bin man? Yeah, the bin man is to sweep up the horse. He does. Sounds like you.
I'm 30. Yeah, I got my phone over the bottle. Oh, I angered it.